I'm so excited because Valentino spoiled me with their new holiday set. Let's unbox them together. First, we have the Spike Valentino Holiday Edition in this stunning red. Look at that Valentino logo. Pigment is definitely there and it goes on so smooth. Just look at that. This red is so pretty and it's perfect for the holidays. Next is also their Spike Valentino Holiday Edition in gold, like sparkly gold. And just like gives that glittery look. It smells so nice for such an odd reason. Like the light, you could kind of see it, but it's just very shimmery. It's meant to go on top of the lipstick that you already have on. Give it like that shimmery look, but this is cute overall though. Love this. This is so cute. Also perfect for the holidays. Next is the Eye to Cheek Holiday Edition. It's a cream to blush, but also eyeshadow. It's really so cute. This is actually a pretty color. It has eyeshadow too. One side with the eyeshadow and blush, other without. Actually, stop. This looks really pretty. This brush is just so cute and so convenient. It's easy to blend and it gives that natural, perfect glow. Lastly, we have Born in Rome Donna. This is my first time smelling it. And this actually smells so good. I haven't even sprayed it yet. This is just a scent. Beautiful. It has hints of jasmine, vanilla, and cashmere. So good and it's so strong. This needs to be added to your perfume collection ASAP. So good, you don't understand. Next, we have another perfume. Born in Rome. Okay, so this one is just the bigger version. The bigger bottle. This is so pretty. Do not understand. Just look at this. I'm literally so excited. Not only did I get the travel size, but I also got the bigger bottle. Other Valentino perfume. It's Uomo. Okay, the black bottle. More of a masculine scent, but it still smells so good and so rich. Perfect to gift any male in your life. These products are perfect and cute to gift for the holidays. Thank you so much, Valentino, for sending them over. I'm forever so thankful and grateful. Thank you so much, Valentino. And let me know which product you try out yourself. Until then, I love you all. Bye.